Here are the 54 countries in Africa with their national animals. Hello and welcome back to PSV Media. In this video, let us learn the 54 national animals in Africa. Algeria, fennec fox. Angola, the giant sable antelope. Benin, leopard. Botswana, zebra. Burkina Faso, white stallion. Burundi, Transvaal lion. Cape Verde, manatee. Central African Republic, African elephant. Chad, goat. Cameroon, lion. Comoros, mongoose, lemur. Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville, okapi. Côte d'Ivoire, elephant. Djibouti spurfowl. Egypt, steep eagle. Equatorial Guinea, giraffe. Eritrea, Arabian camel. Eswatini, Thompson gazelle. Ethiopia, lion. Gabon, black panther. Gambia, spotted hyena. Ghana, tawny eagle. Guinea, African elephant. Guinea-Bissau, crown crane. Kenya, lion. Lesotho, black rhinoceros. Liberia, Asiatic lion. Libya, Arabian eagle. Madagascar, ring-tailed lemurs. Malawi, Thompson gazelle. Mali, vulture. Mauritania, African wildcat. Mauritius, dodo. Morocco, Barbary lion. Mozambique, African elephant. Namibia, oryx. Niger, dama gazelle. Nigeria, black-crowned crane. Rwanda, leopard. Sao Tome and Principe, Sao Tome show. Senegal, lion. Seychelles, black parrot. Sierra Leone, chimpanzee. Somalia, leopard. South Africa, springbok. South Sudan, African fish eagle. Sudan, secretary bird. Tanzania, giraffe. Togo, African lion. Uganda, Uganda cub. Zambia, African fish eagle. Zimbabwe, sable antelope. Thank you so much for watching PSV Media. If your kids enjoy our video today, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button so you'll be notified in our next video. See you next time. Goodbye.